In central South Africa, not far from Johannesburg, the engine room of the continent, lies an industrial plant which feeds a key component into the region's industrial heart and into the export markets of the world. It is the state-of-the-art AFROX MIG Welding plant in the small town of Brits, which provides some of the world's leading industrial brands with the finest copper-coated MIG welding wire available today. Nothing has been spared to ensure that this highly sophisticated plant produces product quality which enables AFROX clients to extract greater cost efficiencies through longer run reliability. Arguably, the single greatest benefit from this new generation welding process. To get this complex operation up and running, AFROX management aimed at a triple win situation. First, the best equipment. The Italians are known for their MIG wire quality, and so it was to Italy that the multi-million rand equipment for the production lines was sourced. Then the best people. Top draw engineers, technicians and operators are the people who man this site at all times. And finally, the best operating process gleaned from best practice sources available today. Making first-class MIG wire is a delicate task of mixing iron, acid and copper in a manner which turns the raw material, 2-ton rolls of dirty steel rods as thick as your little finger, into burnished copper-coated kilometers about as slim as stout fishing line. It is an exact science requiring ongoing training and teamwork. Both training and workshops are carried out on site. It is also a process which is monitored and measured at every step, so that as each employee puts on their safety gear in preparation for another shift, they know that every action they take is being recorded. Not in the sense that Big Brother is watching, but rather to pinpoint areas where skills may be even further refined. The result is a steady increase in productivity while at the same time maintaining the parallel non-negotiables of quality and safety.
Due to our extensive quality control, which involves various stages such as checking the tolerances on our cast and helix, we are able to guarantee that our wire will always follow the weld seam as well as have excellent feedability characteristics during manual or automatic welding application.
Producing MIG wire is a 3-stage process. First, the iron rods in their 2-ton bales are subjected to the rod breakdown line. This is the preparation stage. Then the rods are drawn into the coppering line. This is the critical stage where the iron is washed with acid, steam and soap while being stretched to one of the 5 thicknesses which are produced, from 1.6mm diameter down to a 0.8mm diameter. At the same time, the now slimmed down lines are dried and then coated with copper to emerge in their final stage as gleaming 18kg spools or as the bulk 230kg mega packs.
A prerequisite of a wire would be to always have excellent feedability characteristics coupled with a smooth surface finish which is free of scratches, copper flaking and any sort of defect. This will ensure that the customer contact tips and liners last much longer, and this is clearly another benefit for the customer. Our wire will also result in excellent weldability characteristics with minimal amount of spatter. This minimizes the amount of rework and an improvement in productivity, which is very crucial for the customer.
The Brits welding plant is the very model of a textbook implementation, and the results speak for themselves. In the early stages, production moved from 150 tons a year to over 600 tons, and the site has enormous capacity for expansion. Product reliability is on an impressive and constant upward curve, while wastage has dropped drastically and is still falling. All in all, the very picture of industrial health.
With this investment, any of our customers that are looking for a welding wire that will exceed expectation, limit the amount of stopover during a job, and offer the same consistency with each batch, the AFROX MIG wire can do the job. The AFROX MIG wire conforms to international approval standard. As such, I believe the AFROX MIG wire will always be the professional choice for all welding requirements.
AFROX realizes that in today's intensely competitive world, the ability to provide our clients with strategic advantage through greater cost efficiencies often makes the difference between following the market leader and leading the market.